Hi everyone! Are you struggling to get your Adafruit fingerprint sensor to work with your Arduino Mega 2560? Does your Arduino keep telling you it can't find the sensor? You're in the right place. We'll walk through common issues and solutions to get your fingerprint sensor up and running. This can be a frustrating problem, but often it's a simple fix. Let's dive into troubleshooting steps. First, let's talk about hardware connections. This is often where things go wrong. The Arduino Mega has multiple hardware serial ports. Unlike the Uno, which usually uses serial for the sensor and serial USB for communication with the computer, the Mega has serial 1, serial 2, and serial 3 available for devices. You must connect your fingerprint sensor to one of these dedicated hardware serial ports, like serial 1 pins 18 and 19, serial 2 pins 16 and 17, or serial 3 pins 14 and 15. Crucially, ensure you cross the TX and RX lines. The sensor's TX goes to the Arduino's RX, and the sensor's RX goes to the Arduino's TX. Double-check your wiring for power as well. The Adafruit sensor typically needs 3.3V to 5V. Connect VCC to 5V on the Mega and GND to GND. Use good quality jumper wires. Faulty wires can cause intermittent connections. A loose wire is a common culprit. Give each connection a gentle tug to confirm it's seated properly. Next, let's examine your software and code. Have you installed the Adafruit Fingerprint Sensor library? Go to Sketch, include Library, Manage Libraries, and search for Adafruit Fingerprint Sensor library. Install the latest version. In your code, you need to initialize the sensor object correctly. If you're using serial 1, your code should look something like Adafruit_fingerprint finger and serial 1. Make sure the serial port specified in your code matches the physical pins you've connected the sensor to. Another critical point is the baud rate. The Adafruit sensor usually defaults to 57,600 baud. Your finger.begin, 57,600. Call must match this. If it doesn't, the sensor won't communicate. Always run the example code that comes with the library first. This helps confirm your hardware and library setup. If the example code works, then the issue is likely in your custom code. If it doesn't, you know the problem is more fundamental. Consider power supply issues. While the Mega provides 5V, sometimes a sensor not found error can indicate insufficient current or a fluctuating power supply. Ensure your Arduino Mega is powered stably, either via USB or an external power adapter. If you're powering many other components, try disconnecting them temporarily to rule out power draw as an issue. Check the small power LED on the fingerprint sensor itself. Does it light up when powered? If not, you have a power connection problem. Finally, think about debugging and common pitfalls. Use serial.println statements extensively in your code. Print messages before and after finger.begin. Check the return value of finger.begin. The library's example code often includes a check like if finger.begin 57600 serial.println found fingerprint sensor, else serial.println did not find fingerprint sensor, sad face, while 1. This will help pinpoint if the issue is in the initialization phase. Sometimes, the sensor module itself can be faulty. If you've tried everything else, and you have access to another sensor, try swapping it out. It's rare, but it happens. In summary, check your wiring meticulously, especially the TX/RX cross-connection and using the correct hardware serial port on the Mega. Verify your library installation and ensure your code initializes the sensor with the correct serial port and baud rate. Make sure the sensor is receiving stable power. By systematically checking these areas, you should be able to resolve the sensor not found error. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps you get your fingerprint sensor working. If you found this useful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more Arduino and electronics tutorials. Your support means a lot.